This is my Bluetooth speaker. What I like about it is that it looks like a UFO. Hi, I'm Morgan, and this is Morgan Reviews. I watched a few YouTube makeup tutorials today. Oh look, this is brighter. Clearly I did not learn anything. I tried to contour my wattle area, but I don't think it happened. I just think now I maybe have like... Today is another Shoppo haul. As usual, same disclaimer I say every time I do one of these haul videos from Shoppo. I am a freelance copywriter and I do contribute to copy there. That said, all of these opinions are my own. I think it's really important that they tell people when things are good and when things are bad. And so as part of that, I'm trying to make it known when things are like, wow, this is a really cool thing. And I'm like, no, don't ever get this, it is garbage. I have 4 inexpensive headphone sets to review for you today. To give you an example of what I am comparing it to, I am used to using these headphones. I got these headphones in a drugstore like 2 years ago, so I am not requiring audiophile quality headphones. They have a nice balanced sound, but they have started activating Siri on their own, so either they're haunted or I need to start looking for a new pair. And that's where these new things come in. This thing and this thing. Everybody gets a thing! First up are these guys. Bluetooth exercise headphones. Altogether, these are $5.68. I know that sometimes when you're ordering electronics, especially cheap electronics, it might be sort of nerve-wracking that you think you're spending money on nothing and that when you get it, it's not gonna work. They do work. They connect pretty easily to your phone or whatever you're listening to, and I haven't charged them in 3 weeks and they still work. They come with an alternative set of earbuds and a little clippy thing, but the bottom line is they're incredibly tinny. Even though I am listening to headphones that I got a year and a half ago at a drugstore, I switched to these and I'm like, these are a disappointment. This does have a microphone in it and it will make you sound like you are on a single engine plane reporting on a war in the 1940s. It sounds like a newsreel about the first passenger plane. And they're great if you don't like good sound quality at all. Second thing, these cost $2.44 altogether. They've got a flat wire, they've got a little clippy thing. They come in this box. My biggest complaint about them is that they don't have a volume control button anywhere on them, which is a feature that I use frequently and I really like. But for $2.44, the sound is actually not bad. I'm very pleased with it. They get really nice and loud without losing the bass, but they're not too bassy. I very much like these, and these are a very good candidate for replacement for my headphones when they stop working completely. Third pair of headphones we're gonna talk about are these guys. These are $3.47 altogether. They came in a plastic bag with no information, no cords, nothing. So I charged them both overnight. They charge independently. And even though the description says something like stereo headset, I couldn't figure out a way to use them together. Really what you're getting, if you get these things, are 2 different headpieces. That said, for the purposes of talking and walking, they are great. The sound comes in strong. I don't understand the earpieces, but maybe I don't have to. Maybe it can be a mystery. Mulder, it's me. Something to know when you turn them on and you sync it with your phone, it does have a voice in Chinese telling you that it's on, so it speaks Chinese. There are 2 buttons, one that turns it on and it plays and pauses, and then there's one on the side where you can fast forward or rewind a song, but neither one of those does the volume. But like I said, these were a pleasant surprise, and it's great if you want to have a conversation and walk without getting tangled up. Boom! Done! 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 Finally, these are Xiaomi headphones. This is a really popular brand in China. This is the most expensive of all 4 headphone sets at $8, including shipping. It came in this box, which looks really nice, and then it came with this little thing, which looks really nice. And then you've got 3 different sizes of earbuds, so it's really got a lot of stuff going on for it. Not only that, I really like the design. It's copper and brown, which I just think is unusual, but very cool. And then I tried them. So, good thing is, if you like listening to loud bass, these work well because they're incredibly balanced for bass. They're super, super, super bassy. So if you're listening to music with a heavy bass line and the volume is up, these can actually handle that pretty well. Anything less than that though, and they kind of just lose their appeal. I listen to a lot of NPR. These just aren't balanced for Ira Glass. The major thing you need to know about these things is that the volume control and play and pause functionality is incredibly impaired, if not totally non-functional, when you're using it with an iPhone. This is designed for an Android device, so if you have an iPhone, don't get this because you're not really going to get all the functionality that you're going to want in your headset. And I think that might be it. So if you're looking for cheap headphones, Shoppo is actually a really good source. If you're on the app and you are interested in learning about any particular headphone set, leave a link to it in the comments and I can see if I can test it out for you. I'm not sure if that's going to work, but it is something I could try. It is a little bit annoying because there is no mobile site yet, so you have to download the app before you can actually really view these products or buy them. All of the information you need about Shoppo and the products you've seen today are in the comments below because I'm a grown-ass woman. Subscribe, click like, or don't. You know what? In the words of the internet, you do you. YOLO. Hashtag, I know what the kids are saying. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.